Alright, so there's a nice tom in this little piece of yard up here. Unfortunately, it's on private land, but let's see if we can't maybe get a little picture of his run down.
Where is it?
Right behind that tree.
Oh, there it is. Callin. Yeah, see if he'll answer.
They just started hauling ass.
Get in there. Huh?
Recording, let's not. He just gobbled. And now he's fanning.
He's going across the room.
Rev up the engine.
Get him.
Yeah, the only thing is this is
See, there's a driveway up there
and that's
on our side.
Yeah.
He's on our side of the driveway.
all right.
Yeah, so he's in state land.
But this, I don't know. We can try cutting in here and go try to, but I don't know what we're gonna find.
We just need to get.
Well, what?
You gotta cover your face more. That was a nice setup though. Well, another bust, huh? Worth a shot though. We'll work our way out towards that way and what's that?
He's a nice looking town.
Yeah. I just couldn't draw him back this far into the woods, so it's kind of tough. But fold that up and we'll head out that way and see what happens. Damn it, there's a truck right there. Where is he? Is he there or up there? So, how was your day's hunt?
Lame.
Why?
Cause none of the turkeys are responding.
Well, we had two of them that responded. They just wouldn't come in.
Yeah, they're hung up.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell the problem is. Griever. I think tree fort. Oh. I don't know what we're looking at there. Does that look
we're just
good?
looking at something.
Hello, camera.
Why, hi there.
I think we're all in there, one way or the other.
It's a little lopsided.
So debriefing.
No offense, Italians. I just
Turkey hunt. Hey, break with the chive for Nomad Outdoors debriefing. Nice
Deer
hunt.
are thick as skeeters.
JerBear took a shot at a Jake. Too far out. Missed him. Clean missed him. He flew
right over his head.
3,000 yards after that.
Shit
At
all over the
least.
floor.
Nomad Outdoors was diligent in recovery
Yes.
effort. It retracked the scene, the scene of the incident, the shooting. No, there was no alleged shooting.
We were
We're shooting.
we
tireless and diligent in our efforts.
and even tracked this wily, ever so wily animal for hundreds of yards. Not a feather to be found.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Not a drop.
Nothing. So we feel confident that not
Confident
a feather was
in our
We found
our diligent
shooting
and
range.
tireless efforts
yes,
to do the
four-man
best we
team
could.
Scoured the woods.
Scoured.
High, low, left, right, up, down.
Noses to the ground.
Whoop down.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
We found a little tracks. No.
And then what was next?
That
then
was
was
the
the
next
one.
setup.
Another ditch turkey.
Another ditch turkey.
That was probably a good what?
That one was
8-inch
the one-
beard probably
Yeah,
on that
was a
one.
good one.
That one had a big ass.
We did him out as fast as we could. We had to look at our
Had him responding to the truck.
had him respond to the truck. He wanted to mate with the truck. He wanted to put his little wiener in there.
Right in the gas tank.
Yes.
Very excited,
Yeah,
and he didn't want to play fair.
they didn't want to come in.
Played hard to get after that.
He didn't want to come.
He only wanted to
The
come
next-
for the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not for us.
I guess he likes big and black.
Big and black.
Oh, I got a little bit of what are we cooking up here? Oh, whoa. A little bit of barbecued pulled pork for dinner.
Yeah.
And then mixed in with pulled pork and pulled chicken all mixed together.
pork, and there we go.
All right. So then
Another ditch chicken.
turkey, another ditch chicken. Another ditch chicken. Tried calling that one. Actually, we had two on that one.
That one was responding.
That first one, the first one that we saw took off the road, but there was a second one that responded to us and then come across the road. But
Traffic.
Damn you,
We're-
I don't think I wanted to cross the road because of the traffic.
yeah, we're pretty close
It
to
looked
the
both
road.
ways, and it was a smart
Heard the
turkey.
story.
People kept, we call and it would gobble back, and we call and it would gobble back, and then people driving up and down the road, and they'd slow down. You'd see them slow down. So then finally, I'm guessing he just decided that enough was enough. So I think tomorrow we'll go to the Bow Camp Road a little bit after daybreak.
Oh yeah, we
We'll,
saw them too.
Yeah. Oh, we had a couple hens we
Yeah.
sneaked up on here and there. So probably saw what 50 deer today.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
that's
thick as
true.
Everywhere.
skeeters.
Thick as
There you go.
mosquitoes.
Deer everywhere.
Come up to Gladwin, Michigan.
Everywhere.
Hunt all the public land you want. The deer are thick as mosquitoes. But
In April.
in April. Yeah, of course, not in October. All right, we will be back at it again tomorrow morning,
Hit it.
and we'll see. We're gonna do
Hit it
probably
hard.
stick to our run and gun. Stick to that as I'm hearing the food boil over.
Keith just stares
We're
at
We're
it.
burning our food. Time to go.
All right, run and gun tomorrow, Saturday. Peace out.
Big day.
Big
Big day tomorrow.
Big day.
Lots of birds.
Lots of birds.